Hi, my name is Tanya and I love to travel. During these uncertain times of COVID-19, exploring safely has been tricky. I've found road trips to be the safest way to explore while still being safe. Over the holidays, I was lucky enough to have a friend, Namiko, who was, like me, unable to travel to her family and was up for an epic road trip. Join us as we cruise from my home in New York City down the eastern coast and back up through the Appalachian Mountains. In this week's video, we make a stop in Philadelphia to see the most popular spots and more before continuing down the East Coast. Hi Nomads, it's Tanya and I am driving on an epic road trip with my friend Namiko. She is a friend of mine from MIT. She has 3 degrees from MIT and she's a tenured professor at Penn State, so she's very, very smart. And I'm very, very lucky to have some of her precious time. And we're going on this really long, fun road trip. And our first stop is Philadelphia. And we're going to visit the iconic steps that Rocky ran up. And we're going to get cheesesteaks. And I'm really excited to show you and take you along with me. So our first stop is the Museum of Art, which has the famous steps that Rocky climbed up, and of course we had to come here and do the same. Namiko has a broken foot, so she can't run, so I had to run for the both of us. Next stop is a place called the Magic Garden, which Namiko found. I've never heard of it before, and it's like this really cute art garden that's made with a lot of like repurposed items like bottles and stuff, and you can't get in because of COVID, but you can peek in from the outside and it's pretty magical for sure. Okay, so now we're walking towards the Liberty Bell and it's closed, the building that it's in, so we're not really sure we'll see anything, but since we're here and we're near, we thought it would be interesting to check it out. We just went from a really cute area to more colonial cobblestone area, so it's a really nice walk and the weather is great. I have come to the Liberty Bell before, and I was pretty sure that there was glass in front of it, and there is, thankfully. So we're able to see it without going inside and getting corona. I mean, it's closed anyway because of corona, but it's really great. So you can come, and it's a beautiful park area, and there's a building just across where the Declaration of Independence was filmed. So still very good to visit during corona times, which is great. Our last and maybe best stop is Geno's and Pat's Cheesesteak, which are right across from each other, and probably the 2 most popular places in Philly to get cheesesteak. So we're going to try them both, see which one we like best, and have a great time.
Where's an onions? Yes, all right. Where's whip?
So the steak is well done. And the cheese tastes deliciously processed. And it has onions in it. We got onions because, of course, you gotta get it with onions. So that one was really good. It's gonna be hard to beat, but now we're gonna try the pats. And I'm really excited. So delicious. I inhaled that. I almost choked like 3 times.
Yep, you actually did.
Yep. I actually did choke. I'm so sorry.
No. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, no. That was nice. See, Merry Christmas.
Perfect. Here we go.
Cheers.
Oh my god. I think I like Pat's better than Geno's. The meat in Geno's was just a little overcooked to me. This one is cooked just right. The onions are bigger and the cheese is the same, of course. It's processed cheese and it's delicious. This is the best part of the trip.